You all must have heard about time travel at some point. You've probably seen many movies showing time travel, like Avengers Endgame, Interstellar, The Flash, and many more. In these movies, heroes travel back in time, fix everything, and return, which looks very cool. But the big question is time travel really possible? Have you ever wished you could go back in time and correct your mistakes? Many of us want to fix our past. And some of us are curious about the future too. Will we be successful? Will we achieve our dreams? Well, time travel hasn't been scientifically proven yet, but many scientists have theories that suggest time travel could be possible. Today's video is all about time travel, how time works and how we might be able to travel through it. Like always, this video is going to be very interesting, so watch it till the end. If we talk about time travel, different scientists have different opinions. Some believe time travel is possible, others don't. For example, Sir Isaac Newton thought time was like an arrow, once it moves forward, it cannot come back. He believed that time is constant everywhere, it flows at the same speed across the universe. But that's not how time actually works. Albert Einstein explained it better. He said that the difference between past, present, and future is just an illusion. In 1915, Einstein gave his famous theory, the general theory of relativity. According to this theory, space and time are not separate, they are combined into one thing called spacetime. Einstein said spacetime is like a fabric. When you place a heavy object, like a planet, on it, the fabric bends. The sun is very heavy, so it bends spacetime the most. Jupiter bends it a little less. Earth bends it even less. This bending is called spacetime curvature. According to Einstein, the stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. This effect is called time dilation. If you didn't fully understand time dilation, let's take an example, a black hole. Black holes have the strongest gravity in the universe. The gravity near a black hole is so powerful that it creates something called a singularity, a point where the fabric of spacetime bends infinitely. Near a black hole, time slows down a lot. If you spend a few minutes near a black hole and then come back to Earth, hundreds or even thousands of years might have passed here. We even see this concept in the movie Interstellar, where 1 hour near a certain planet, close to a black hole, equals 7 years on Earth. When the main character Cooper returns, his daughter has grown old and is dying, while for him, only a few hours had passed. That's how powerful time dilation can be. Now, back to our topic. Einstein's general theory of relativity tells us about gravity, spacetime curvature, singularities, and time dilation. So hopefully, you understand now that time doesn't work the way we used to think. Can we really time travel? Time travel to the future, possible. Time travel to the past, almost impossible, or very, very difficult. Why can't we travel to the past easily? Because if we change something in the past, it will change the future too, and if we change the future, maybe we can never come back to our original time. To explain this, there's a famous idea called the grandfather paradox. If you travel back in time and accidentally stop your grandfather from having children, you would never be born. But if you were never born, then how did you go back in time in the first place? This causes a lot of confusion and problems, which is why past time travel is considered impossible. We also see this in the Flash movie. Flash travels back in time to save his mother. But when he returns to the future, everything is changed, he's stuck in a different timeline, a parallel universe. So, time travel to the past is very risky and almost impossible. What about traveling to the future? Good news, we are already traveling to the future. Every second, we are moving 1 second into the future. But what if we want to speed it up and move many years ahead quickly? There are real scientific ways to travel to the future faster. Let's talk about them. 1. Time travel through speed. Einstein gave two theories. General theory of relativity, gravity and spacetime. Special theory of relativity, speed and time. According to special relativity, if you move close to the speed of light, time slows down for you. Example. Imagine you are on a spaceship traveling at the speed of light. You spend 1 hour on the ship and come back to Earth. On Earth, many years would have passed. Why? Because at the speed of light, you are moving through time differently. For example, sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. If a person walked to the sun at normal speed, it would take 3,500 years. But if they traveled at light speed, they would reach in just 8 minutes. This is a real form of time travel, by moving fast. 2. Time travel through gravity. As we discussed earlier, stronger gravity equals slower time. Near a black hole, time slows down massively. That's why near the event horizon of a black hole, the point from which not even light can escape, time moves extremely slow. This is another real way time travel could happen, using gravity. 3. Time travel through wormholes. A wormhole is a theoretical shortcut through space and time. Imagine space is a piece of paper. If you draw two dots on it, and fold the paper so the dots touch, you create a shortcut. That shortcut is a wormhole. Scientists believe that wormholes might connect two different points in time or space. But the problem is, we have never seen a real wormhole yet. Even if we find one, keeping it stable would be extremely difficult. Some theories suggest we would need negative energy to keep a wormhole open, and we don't know how to create or control negative energy yet. Still, if wormholes exist and we can control them, time travel could become possible one day. 4. Time travel through suspended animation. Suspended animation means slowing down the body's function so much that time feels like it's passing very fast for you. You've seen this in movies where astronauts are put to sleep for years during long space journeys. When they wake up, decades might have passed. In real life, scientists are trying to develop ways to slow down human metabolism. If successful, we could sleep for hundreds of years and wake up in the future. Right now, suspended animation is still in research stages, but it might become a real method of future time travel. So, these are the 4 scientific ways we might achieve time travel. Speed, traveling close to the speed of light. Gravity, being near strong gravitational fields like black holes. Wormholes, shortcuts through spacetime. Suspended animation, slowing down body processes. Among these, the first 2, speed and gravity, have already been tested a little bit. For example, scientists sent very accurate clocks into space on fast-moving satellites. After returning to Earth, the clocks were slightly behind those on Earth, proving time dilation. So technically, time travel to the future is already happening, but at a very small scale. Conclusion. Right now, full-time travel like we see in movies isn't possible yet. But the theories suggest that in the future, humans might find ways to travel into the future more easily. As for traveling to the past, it remains a big mystery and probably will stay impossible for now. Still, thinking about time travel makes us curious and inspires us to dream big. Maybe one day, humans will unlock the secrets of time and become true time travelers. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Tell us in the comments, if time travel became real, would you go to the past or the future? We'll meet you in the next video with another amazing topic. Take care and stay curious.